Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an audio recording to a project in the CapCut app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just click on the project that we would like to work on, and here it opens up in the edit menu like this, and then we just click on audio in the bottom row, swipe to the right, and here we have record as the last option. We click on this, and here we can just tap on this microphone icon to start recording the audio like this. We allow the app to use our microphone, and as you can see, it's recording the audio, and then after we release it, our audio file is going to be there. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.